I'm sure you've noticed, your Sorento's air conditioner just isn't doing its job. No cool air, just a lot of frustration. Let's find out what's going on. First, check your AC settings. Make sure the temperature is set to cold and the fan is on. Sometimes it's just a simple switch. If that's not it, low refrigerant is a common problem. Over time, your AC can lose its coolant. If the air is weak or warm, this could be why. Next, listen for strange noises when you turn the AC on. If you hear clicking or rattling, the compressor might be failing. That's the part that pumps the cold air. Also, take a look at your AC fuse and relay in the fuse box. A blown fuse can stop your AC from working altogether. These are cheap and fairly easy to replace. Don't forget the cabin air filter. If it's clogged, airflow drops, and your AC feels weak. Replacing it is simple and can make a big difference. If none of these fix the problem, it could be a bigger issue, like a leak or a bad sensor. In that case, it's best to see a mechanic. So, before you sweat it out, check these common issues. Your cool ride might be just a quick fix away.